The grinding robot machine is automatically controlled by an industrial robot, can be reprogrammed, and to achieving various kinds of grinding jobs in 3D space. It is FUNAC robotic arm. The grinding machine has several grinding touch wheels, and in the process of grinding, the robot can control the rotating speed of the grinding machine, automatically adjust the tension of the sand belt, and choose the current available touch wheels. The machine has function of automatic position compensation. In the process of grinding, the machine detects the position of the wheels and automatically adjusts the position of the wheels to compensate the position deviation of the wheels. Offline program software for automatic grinding. We have professional programmer for grinding technical to ensure fully technical support and help you resolve the difficulty of grinding, polishing task, reducing the production time.